Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Spanish with Lingoda, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your Spanish with Lingoda, begin by visiting the Lingoda website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your email address and a secure password. Select your preferred language, which in this case is Spanish. Once your account is created, take the placement test to assess your current level. The placement test will help tailor lessons to fit your specific needs. After receiving your level results, browse the course options available. Choose a plan that suits your schedule and learning goals. Lingoda offers flexible class times, so select what works best for you. Once you've decided, purchase your chosen plan. Access the lesson schedule and find classes that match your availability. Join a live class with a qualified teacher and interact with fellow students. Make sure to engage actively during the lesson. Practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing as part of the curriculum. Use the Lingoda platform to review lesson materials and homework assignments. Take advantage of the resources available, including grammar explanations and vocabulary lists. Feel free to reach out to teachers for additional support or questions. After completing your lessons, track your progress through your account dashboard. Set new goals based on your advancements to keep improving. Continue practicing consistently to gain confidence and fluency in Spanish. Utilize Lingoda's community features to connect with other learners. Consider joining speaking clubs or language challenges offered by Lingoda. Regularly check for new courses or updates to the program. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to upgrading your Spanish efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.